Welcome back to the Pixel Pub for the unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. I've used a lot of different microphone solutions around the pub, but I'm super excited to finally try out the newest and smallest iteration here from DJI. First off, we've got the standard white and minimalistic packaging that we're used to from DJI. They really know how to nail that presentation and that box look. I've gotten not only the DJI Osmo Action Pro 5, as well as a couple of different drones from DJI. I love their products, and the packaging is very, very similar to most of those if you're familiar with any of them. All right, but taking it out of the box right here on the top, we've got the standard user manuals as always. Inside here, we've got the standard manuals you're used to. We've got a stack of stickers, different decals that don't come in any other DJI products that I've encountered so far. But here's the standard warranty card, as well as then the standard quick start guide for the DJI Mic Mini. All right, and then we've got the microphone itself, again, packaged in some of this really thick, hard to get through plastic. Everything comes in this nice travel case that is included from DJI. Always love it when stuff comes with a bag like this, because if it doesn't, chances are you're going to be looking for a bag to put it in anyways, especially with something like this that's meant to be traveling, meant to be going places, meant to be carried around. Inside, we've got a couple more plastic bags. First off, we start with the 3.5mm audio jack. This kind of cable is going to hook up to anything that has that audio jack on it. We have our standard USB-C to USB-A connector, can connect to any device that has that kind of output on it. And as well, we've got the 4 included wind muffs, 2 different styles, two different levels of protection as far as those are concerned. And then we've got the actual microphones themselves with the case and receiver. Really nice plastic case, but kind of metal feeling with the texture that they've added on there. Feels kind of like metal, but definitely a plastic. But really great feel, honestly, for such an inexpensive product. I think it feels really great. Really strong clip on there to keep everything in place. And then inside we've got the 2 transmitters as well as the receiver. Now this receiver is pretty small, can plug into just about anything, has about 10.5 hours of battery life once it comes out of the charging case, as well as that 5-level gain dial on the side of it. Then taking the actual transmitter out of the case, these each come with 11.5 hours of battery life. They come not only with the very strong magnet on the back, they come with the clip. Very, very small, really, really sleek. I'm super excited to be using these. And I'm really excited to see what kind of audio that we can get from them. And then of course there is an included USB-C connector for the receiver to plug directly into your phone. Really, really great connections coming out of this device. But if you're using it within another DJI product, it becomes even simpler. Actually, you can actually directly connect the transmitters to the camera. So if you already have one of those cameras and that's the only thing that you're going to be using, you can buy just that transmitter rather than the whole case. All right, so this whole video has been recorded with my Yeti Classic USB microphone plugged directly into my computer. So not necessarily the same type of microphone as the DJI Mic Mini is, but you can see here now I am officially recording off of that microphone, just so you can get an idea of how it sounds when I'm in different situations, when I am recording from my phone, which is about an arm's length away. But if this is how you are going to want to be recording, I'm going to switch really quick to record with my phone audio. And now the phone has been switched to the audio within the phone, which is right now the Google Pixel 9. So you can hear kind of the audio difference between using the DJI Mic Mini as well as the audio quality right from the phone. So if you're recording, streaming straight from your phone, this is definitely one of those things that could potentially up your audio game. Whether you are an in real life streamer or you're a PC builder like me that is up and doing something while on stream or recording videos, the DJI Mic Mini could be a really, really great and inexpensive option for being able to be mobile, being able to move around and have two microphones for a very, very low cost. Either way, I can't wait to try these out in my next PC build stream, which if you hit that subscribe button, you'll be able to check out right here on this channel the next time I go live. Until then, keep creating, keep streaming, and as always, cheers from the Pixel Pub.